Next we have the USB connector, right, which goes in here. I like it, it's got some clips on there. There we go, got some clips on there which will help keep it nice and secure. So when we're going to push it in, we'll push it through. Okay, flip it over. When we're looking at the underneath, there's only, you only need to solder on the board. There's only here and here. The middle two don't need any solder. I am going to add solder here and here just to make sure it's a nice strong connection. Because if you imagine, people will be pushing in USB cables into that possibly. So we don't want a weak connection. So I'm going to once again put it down on my board and get to soldering. Inspect your solder and give it a bit of a push. Seems like a nice strong, give it a bit of push, give it a bit of, seems like a nice strong connection to me. Alright,